How's everyone doing? We don't have your laptop. That's what we don't have.
We don't need it.
Okay,
We're
well,
not live.
we're going to wing it, and hopefully we're videotaping this.
We are.
Okay, I hope so. I got ahead of the ball game on this one because it was kind of hairy doing this great big thing and trying to figure out exactly, what we wanted to do with it. So I kind of got ahead. But again, we're back to the fire.
She thought it was so funny scaring me, she wanted to do it twice. Now we're not using tissue paper, we're actually using a napkin.
Yeah, that's true. And it's 2-ply, so for those that don't know, most napkins are 2-ply. Some of them will tell you they're 3-ply, 4-ply, whatever they are.
You wet your fingers? I got really good at this.
Gosh, I'm going to be yawning this whole video. It's like midnight.
It's 11:18.
It's like midnight. But, I mean, I could
We just
stay
know
awake.
how much you guys enjoy us, so we wanted to make a few videos so we could post more, and I can't
Doesn't
get
that look
this.
crooked?
It's fine. I looked at it. It's fine.
Oh, hey, that's not saying a lot, is it?
There! I thought I got it.
Yeah,
Tina's gonna let me do a lot here and try to teach me.
it can be trying to get these open. You really have to wet your fingers
Don't do the
good.
edges. Go more to the center.
You're better off if you have to do a bunch of these. Get you a wet sponge and just keep wetting your fingers, and it'll do.
Throw that away.
Well, no, we never throw anything away. Everything is useful.
Not me.
Everything.
That's
is
where I have my
useful.
trash can. So basically, she took the edges off and put them at the top here. Should I tell them what it says?
Yeah.
Okay. It says Happy Easter.
And now they won't be able to read it because it's the right way.
I know. So we
Anyway.
did the hard part. We did the leg work.
Wait a minute.
She
did what?
She did. Because she thinks I don't do anything, but how did these videos get posted? I was wondering how that happened.
She did do the videos. She definitely did the videos.
Okay,
can you jump up and get me another purple glue because we did leave this. Oh no, it's sticking. It's sticking.
Do you know where your purple glue is?
Yes, I do know where my purple glue is. Okay, so again, what we're doing is very dangerous. Kids, do not do this.
Get away from the ribbon.
Do not do this without supervision. Anybody. Like, we need an adult too. And we're doing it in my house.
Your hair up.
No, I'm okay. We'll be fine.
You notice that I stay far away still. I don't trust it.
All you do is light it, and it kind of goes around. I'm going to hold it up so that you can see it. See how it's going around and around and around? Well, what does that is the glue. And it stops it from burning the wood,
That's why you want to make
really
sure that
cool.
you get the glue all the way to the edges.
Right. You want to get the glue all the way to the edges.
It smells
But you also,
toasty.
you also want to try to leave some of the extra paper. We didn't do that the first time because one thing that we seen said not to make sure you trimmed it very well. Calm down! Oh my gosh! Now that made it go out because I moved it. But anyways. And then the center ones, you have to do the same thing. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I hate fire.
She's never going to make it through this video, I swear.
Oh my gosh. I don't like lighting more than one at a time. You can't control it.
You notice I'm keeping it over this table too. Plastic or not, let it melt a hole in this table, not in my floor. Hopefully you guys can see it. I mean, we're watching the flames go nuts.
Oh
my gosh. You're cracking me up more than anything. Oh my gosh. Torching it there. Torching it right here. See how well this does? I mean, it's so freaking cool. If you like to play with fire, it's pretty cool. See how it just goes around the outside edge?
I would never do it.
Isn't that cool? I just think it's fantastic. I mean, who comes up with some of this stuff, though? Do they sit around and have nothing better to do?
I don't know, but that flame's getting pretty big there.
It's okay. It's just going down and getting all the stuff, and then it stops. It's just so cool to me. I find it very, very interesting. See?
You find fire interesting. I bet Zane will find this interesting, and little Louie will find this interesting, and
woof!
Rice!
Look at this.
That was a big one.
You've lost it, Chick. You've lost it. See that? Isn't that cool? Oh, I don't want no spark going in my house.
At least you have high ceilings.
That I do. That I do.
You don't want to test your smoke alarm out.
No, I wouldn't want to be at Andy and theirs right now. Theirs goes off all the time. Especially when Alicia's at work. It's going off.
Hey.
What?
Go ahead.
I don't have it all done yet. Take a chill pill, Chicky Poo.
I was going to ask you something, then
What?
I forgot we're on video. I couldn't ask.
Yeah, maybe tilting it's not a good idea.
Oh, it just makes it look rusty.
It does. It does. Seriously, you're right. It does.
You're like, where's the hole?
It's right there. I poked a hole in it so I know where these spots are to light. I think that looks sharp.
Yeah, I mean, even the little burnt edges are still. That one's a little burnt on the side. Tina,
What?
you just cut through the line.
No, I didn't. It was a piece where it was sticking over. And then if you want to, you can just take a sander and sand this stuff down. Because like here, there's little edges of the paper still. It just needs to be sanded. Like so. Just take a sander.
So organized having your sander here.
Oh, just if only Richard could see
Richard would
this.
just be so impressed.
Yeah.
We haven't had to get up for anything.
Yeah, we're going to have to get up to get the vacuum, that's for sure. But anyways, as you see, this is just so cool. I find this very cool. Again, I wouldn't let any kids do it, but I mean, this is just, I don't know how it works. I mean, there's something in the glue that does it, and I mean, I think we need to figure out what's in that glue. That's what I think.
So
it
I
just
bought
makes
some
things
really,
so much
Hobby Lobby
easier.
has really cute wood sayings and stuff, and I bought one that says I love you to the moon and back, and I bought some really cool black tissue paper, and then I got one that says you're my sunshine. But if you think that I'm gonna do this, I will give I'll give it to my husband maybe, and he'll do it for me. He likes fire. Then we can call him a crafter.
Yeah. Being a fireman does not make you a crafter, right, fireman? Most firemen would say, I don't have a clue what she's doing, other than she shouldn't be doing it. Okay.
Oh, you're ripping the paper.
Where?
Right there. You're peeling it up. Do you need to light it again?
No, we need glue. We need glue right there. I don't want to light it because then it'll do a line across.
Start your bow. This is supposed to be a
Okay, so anyways, there's a couple of spots that have dried out, so we need...
Oh, no, thank you.
No, I'll get the vacuum. I have a little vacuum that'll work perfectly fine. But anyways, this is what it looks like so far. Okay? I mean, I don't care for that.
No, but we can fix it.
Yeah. To fix this, all you gotta do
Put
is
a napkin on it.
pull that off. Take you a knife, cut it, pull that off, and just put another piece there. Because you can piecemeal these.
Or you can put your bow there.
Or you could put your bow there, which we might do. I was going to put it around here, but anyways. Okay, Cindy, you hold this up. That'll let them see. Now, remember when she said throw this away? Look, this is the bottom of the tissue, or the bottom of the napkin that she was going to throw away. It's working perfectly fine to sweep up our mess so that we can make a bow. Because we don't want this mess on your floor because it is literally like charcoal. Yeah. It'll leave a mess. Anyways, okay. Now, we're going to make a bow. Again, you know us and the bow. We like the easy sloppy bow. So, we're going to add, again, I like being lazy, so I'm going to,
Maybe we should have named ourselves the Lazy Crafters.
I don't know about you, but I don't like that one. I just tell them I'm lazy, whether I am or not.
You're not lazy. You're the most unlaziest person I've ever met in my life.
I try. Not all the time, but I do try sometimes. And then again, I just wing it on the size that I'm cutting here. This is really pretty lace kind of stuff.
And we're just
very,
going with what
very
we had.
dainty.
We didn't actually go shopping for this, so
Right, this
we
is
went
just
shopping
in
in our
my
cabinet.
this is just in my stuff, my stash of stuff.
I used to have stashes like this when I lived in Riverview, but I sold it all.
Yeah, they had an estate sale and sold it all. Okay, so we got those two. Let's try some pink. Now this is going to look a little silly because we just have a little pink, but it'll be okay. Once I get this far along, I tend to just put my ribbon up there and then go with it. I don't flip it over and measure it out or anything like that. And again, we want to make sure that everybody that's watching us, that you make sure that you go and
YouTube. Go to YouTube.
Yep.
Search for Tina and Cindy, Teena, and go to our channel. Watch a video for 2 minutes, and then click subscribe and like and click
Why 2
notifications.
minutes?
You have to watch
Why?
the video. I don't know. That's YouTube's rules. If you don't watch the video 2 minutes, then they don't consider that a subscription.
Isn't that just nuts? Well, we hope that you want to watch all 22 or 23 minutes of us. But if you could at least stick around for 2 minutes, let's say you're a guy and this wasn't your cup of tea, but you got on anyways because you thought, what the heck, let me see what this is all about because they look really funny. Then,
if you think your wife would like it.
Yeah, you just never know. You never know. And I'm being really lazy, and for tonight, I am just literally going to do an ankle cut and be done.
Because it is 11:30 p.m. and we are tired, but...
Well, she's tired. I stay up this late
I
all
know.
the time.
Thing is I'm spending the night over here because I have an appointment out in Brandon tomorrow, and she won't let me sleep for another 2 hours.
Nope.
She will talk my ear off until I'm mumbling, I'm going to sleep.
Even then, I'm still over there talking.
She talks and talks and talks.
Well, you know what? When you go to bed, it's just so, like real. Like this is the end of that day. And if I had a good day, I want to stay awake longer and enjoy it.
And of course, if she spent the day with her BFF, she's had a great day. So.
Exactly. Yes. We bring out the best in each other. What can we say?
The best and the worst sometimes.
Yeah, that's probably a true statement. Okay, I need this a little bit tighter. I didn't get it tight enough.
It's a cute little bow, and all the colors kind of blend in, and you definitely need to put it over the burnt spot.
You think?
I think I'll sleep in Mia's bed tonight.
I think you won't. You know, I do have a guest bed in there, and Mia's bed with a trundle.
Oh, then I'll sleep in the
There's
guest
plenty
bedroom.
of beds here as far as that goes, but yeah, no. Nope, gotta keep you awake all night and be rude and obnoxious. If you want to, you can. At least then you offered some help on something on this craft.
I stored it at my house.
Oh, and you did a bunch of the napkins.
I did. I peeled those napkins apart. I was on a roll. Are we tying in a bow or not?
Yeah. Well, no, you don't have to. We're going to cut it, so it's not going to need that.
Well, it still needs to be tied in a knot.
Well, yeah, you want it tied in a knot really tight. Can you do that with those nails? Get it here. Oh, my goodness. This is why I don't have nails. You know, when I'm in Ohio, I have nails sometimes because there, it just messes with my fingers and stuff really bad. I was going to leave that in the front, but since we did that, we won't. So, anyways, and then just kind of mess it up. Messy bun, messy ribbon, messy bow, whatever you want to call it. Voila! It is done! What do y'all think?
Happy
Cindy,
Easter.
You gonna put this on your door?
Yeah.
Because we could go ahead and put the string on here. And, oh, I see another area that needs to be torched.
Oh my gosh. Stop it.
Well, you can really see if there's something that didn't get torched, which the rest all looks pretty good.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.
The wedding!
Thank you for watching. We are now signing
She's
off.
so jumpy, I
Good
swear.
night.
Oh my gosh. Happy Easter to all. Hopefully you like this craft. Hopefully you enjoy us. And like, share, and make sure you hit the notification button. That tells you when we're on. And watch the video for at least 2 minutes, but hopefully the whole time. We're not on here that long.
And she'll keep talking if I don't click stop. So good night.
Bye. Is it off?
You're not going to believe this. Why is it not stop? Oh, I'm taking pictures.